Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply an effect from color to black and white fade effect transition. All right. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, we are here inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm currently on the All Panels workspace. So make sure you click on Window, Workspace, and click on All Panels so that we are on the same workspace setup. All right, so I already have a sequence here, which is the video slideshow sequence, and I have a baby video here that I want to put that effect on. All right, to achieve that effects, all we have to do is to create an adjustment layer so that we can apply the effect on our adjustment layer. So to do that, we can click on File at the top, click on New, and click on Adjustment Layer. All right, so click OK on that. All right, now we have the adjustment layer here on the project panel. All we had to do is to drag this to our timeline, and I want to make sure that make it longer. All right, so it will cover the whole clip. All right, now so to do that, I'm gonna go to Lumetri color here, Lumetri color to adjust to black and white. All right, so I'm gonna click on basic correction, and for the saturation, I'm gonna make it to 0 saturation. All right, and then you can also adjust the exposure or the contrast. All right, it's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna increasing the contrast right now. All right, I'm happy with that. You can also use the curves, all right, to make some adjustment in the curves to if you want to boost the shadows a little bit. All right, it's out of you. All right, cool. All right, so I'm happy with that. All right, now on this, so I'm gonna put it here. All right, so in this one, if we're gonna play it, all right, and once we got the adjustment layer, we'll go to black and white. All right, now we don't want to put the like the fade effect here. All right, if we're gonna put the fade effect here, all right, it's not gonna, we don't want that effect, so I'm gonna undo it. All right, undo. All right, so what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use the effect here in the adjustment layer, and we're gonna use the crop or the opacity. All right, so to achieve that color to black and white, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to adjustment layer, effect control. All right, so I'm clicking the adjustment layer, and then click on effect control here, and then look for opacity. All right, here opacity, click on that little triangle, and then we need to create a keyframe to toggle on and off these little stopwatch for to toggle the animation. All right, so I'm gonna start with this. All right, and let's toggle this keyframe so that we'll go make a keyframe here. All right, I'm gonna start with 0%. All right, so we have the color effect because the opacity is on the 0%. Now if we scroll the playhead here in the middle, all right, and we can toggle this one to 100%, so it will slowly go to black and white. All right, now we play it. All right, if you play it here, it will look like this. All right, and goes to black and white. All right, and seamless transition. Now if you want to go back again to black and white, all right, you can just toggle this to 0% to go to the color. All right, so from color, and then we'll go to black and white. From black and white, it will go to color again. All right, so basically that's how you do from color to black and white fade transition. All right, cool. So I'm gonna do it on the large screen. Let's try that. Let's play it. That's how you do the effect of color to black and white fade effect. All right, well, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.